Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. So this is a important video related with our explanation of equations. So many of our subscribers and fellow researchers are asking that, especially people from chemistry department, asking how to analyze structures and how to analyze equations using AI research, that is AI tool. So here we are going to discuss about an AI tool. So it's an improved version of an AI tool, that is Claude 3. So it is used to analyze images in your that is, you can upload the image of the equation, so it will analyze that image. So or else you can upload that the particular structure of a chemistry formula or etc. So it will analyze the content and it will generate answer for you. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool, and we will upload some of the equations and let us see how it will generate answers for us. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct a live MATLAB workshop on EV charging station with PV and wind energy sources. So in this, the main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different types of renewable energy sources useful for EV charging station. So the main objective is to grasp maximum amount of energy from PV and wind energy sources by using different types of maximum power point tracking techniques, and then we are going to incorporate it with EV charging station. So this will be a very useful workshop for those who are interested in EV charging station design in MATLAB. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that Claude. So we have discussed about the Claude 2 version. So this is the upgraded version of Claude 3. So here what we can do is, you can these are the important new in Claude is that, so you can understand complex equations, transcribe handwritten notes, you can extract text from images. So like that, these are the important options available in this Claude 3. So first we will explore with some equations. So in order to get a better understanding for you, so I have downloaded some equations. So here you can see these are the equations related with PV modeling, that is photovoltaic modeling. So after that I will upload some chemistry equations also. So first I will upload that. Let us see how this AI will generate answers for us. So whether it will directing the equation and explain the equation perfectly or not. So what I am going to do is, I am going to upload this modeling of PV equation in this in our AI tool. So here, so this is our AI tool. So I am going to upload the equation. So go to desktop. So here you can see this is the modeling. Upload that equation. So after uploading that, you can give an input prompt that explain the equations. So like that, give an input prompt, after give enter. So let us see how this Claude AI will explain the equation. So here you can see, yes, our explanation of equation is generated. So here you can see that IPH, this equation calculates the photocurrent. Yes, it's a photocurrent of the PV model, depends upon short circuit current, that is ISC is a short circuit current. Next you can see a temperature coefficient Ki. So next cell temperature is T and solar irradiance is IR. So next one equation represents IRS. So IRS is a reverse saturation current. Next VOC is the open circuit voltage, Boltzmann constant is K and electronic charge is Q. So next I naught, you can see here. So this is the specifications. Saturation current is I naught. Next reference temperature TR, band gap energy semiconductor 𝐸𝐺O. So like that, it will generating a perfect that is explanation of the equations only. So as I have familiarized about with that equations, so I assure that this that is the explanation generated by that particular for that equations by AI is perfectly correct. So let us explore with some other equations. So here again, refresh again. So what you can do is, so upload another set of equations. So it's a chemistry equation I am going to upload. So I am going to give the same prompt, explain the equation. So this is the equation I have uploaded, so you will get better understanding. So here you can see that H2G and O2 gives to H2O. So here you can see the equation shows the image represents a chemical reaction involving hydrogen gas H2 and oxygen gas as reactants. which combine to produce H2O. So the coefficient of H2O2 indicate this stoichiometric amounts of hydrogen, oxygen. So like that it is explaining the equations very better. So thereby you can get a perfect explanation of that equations. So let us explore with some other example also. So I am going to start a new chat again. So after that, click on that. So I am going to update a structure here, a chemical structure. So upload that structure. So explain the chemical structure with the name. So like that you can ask that question. So here you can see that the chemical structure shown in the image is that of butane, a straight chain alkane with 4 carbon atoms. It's a molecular formula C4H10. So those who are belong to chemistry department, don't forget to comment whether it is correct or not, and give a like if it is correct. So in the structure, the carbon atoms are represented by the letter C and hydrogen atoms are represented by letter H. The carbon atoms are connected by a single bond forming a linear chain. Each carbon atom is also bonded to the appropriate number of hydrogen atoms to satisfy tetravalency of carbon. So here you can see that the structure can be written as, so represents the methyl group, and each CH2 represents the methyl group. Butane is a gaseous hydrocarbon at room temperature, commonly used. So like that it will give with applications also. So like that you can make use of this option to upload your chemical structures or chemical equations to generate a better content or better explanation for you. So like that you can make use of this option. Other important option available in this cloud is that, so here you can upload documents also. So for example, you can upload any documents related with that, that is any documents of your that is paper also. For example, I am uploading this document. So it's a research paper only, so it will take several seconds. A PDF is uploaded. So explain the paper and summarize it, and also explain the equations in the paper. So like that I am going to ask for a prompt. So as if you want a perfect example, you have to attach a smaller file only, as like we have did before. So you can attach only a smaller images. So for example, if you want a equation, so make explanation of a equation, so you can make it as an image and you can upload those, that is smaller files with probably less than 5 MB will works out to generate a better content for you. So like that you can make use of this option using this Cloud AI. So you can do other things as like in all chatbots do. So you can give any input prompt, research prompt to generate better answers for you. So next important thing is that you can copy and paste, you can generate literature review using this Cloud also. So we have made a video regarding this Cloud with the Cloud 2, that is exploring research prompts with Cloud 2. So this is Cloud 3 especially designed to get explanation of equations and images. So make use of this option in Cloud that is Cloud 3. So and make your research paper analysis very simple and easier. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So this is the most asked video by many of our fellow researchers regarding to that is belonging to chemistry department. So you can check out it and make your equations and the explanation of the equations very better using this Cloud 3. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.